Welcome back to Juicecapades. Is anxiety getting the better of you, especially these days? In this video, we're going to discuss this topic, discover how we can juice for calmness, along with a toolkit of strategies for coping. Anxiety. It's a word many of us hear often, but living with it is a deeply personal experience. For me, anxiety has been a quiet but persistent companion for years, often surfacing at unexpected moments. I remember vividly the nights when sleep felt like a distant dream, as my mind raced with worries big and small. It felt like being caught in a storm, trying to navigate through heavy winds and rain with no umbrella. Today I'm sharing my story as someone who has found ways to manage and live alongside anxiety. I hope my journey resonates with you and offers a glimmer of hope or even a recipe to bring a little calmness to your day. My story. Anxiety first entered my life subtly, like an uninvited guest. At first I thought I was just overthinking or stressing too much, but as time went on, I realized it was more than that. Anxiety would creep in during quiet moments, robbing me of peace. It made simple tasks like attending social events or completing work deadlines feel overwhelming. There were days when I felt like I was carrying an invisible weight. It was hard to explain to others who would say, just relax or don't overthink it. Those words, though, though well-meaning, only added to my sense of isolation. Anxiety isn't something you can simply just shut off. However, the turning point for me came when I began to truly acknowledge it. I stopped trying to fight or suppress the feelings and started exploring ways to cope. I realized that anxiety is part of my story, but it doesn't have to define who I am. My coping strategies. So over the years, I've built a toolkit of strategies that help me navigate the ups and downs of anxiety. Here are some things that worked for me. 1. Mindfulness and deep breathing. Taking a few moments each day to sit in stillness has been transformative for me. I focus on my breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. This simple practice helps to ground me and bring me back to the present moment. 2. Gardening as therapy. There's something magical about getting my hands in the soil and nurturing plants. I'm a gardener, and watching flowers bloom or herbs grow gives me a sense of accomplishment and peace. It's my form of meditation in motion. 3. Seeking support. Whether it's confiding in a trusted friend or seeking professional help, talking about my anxiety has been incredibly freeing. It reminds me that I'm not alone. 4. Healthy eating and juicing. I've always believed in the power of good nutrition to support mental well-being. Fresh juices in particular have become a ritual for me. They're not just nourishing, but also provide a calming routine that I look forward to every single day. Juicing for calmness. One of the most comforting rituals I've developed is juicing. The process of selecting fresh fruits and vegetables, preparing them, and savoring the final result really feels therapeutic. Over time, I've discovered ingredients that not only taste great, but also help to promote relaxation and balance. So here's a juice recipe that I love to make when I need a moment of calm. Finally, living with anxiety is not always easy, but I've learned that it's possible to find moments of peace and joy even on the hardest days. Through mindfulness, gardening, and juicing, I've discovered tools that help me reclaim my calm. I'm sharing this story and recipe with you in hopes that it might inspire your own journey towards balance. So if you tried my mind calming juice, I'd love to hear your thoughts. How does it make you feel? And if you have your own tips for managing anxiety, feel free to share them. Remember, we're all in this together. Thank you for watching.